So Select Dental, some of the things that I think set us apart is our philosophy of the importance of the patient, that we are there for them.
You know, essentially we're a family environment, but with the utmost attention to detail and the highest standard of care.
You don't feel like you're particularly in an office, but at the same time, you know that they have everything covered.
I love everyone here. They're so genuine and warm.
You're not just a number, it's more so you feel like you're a part of the family.
It's nothing like I'd ever experienced before.
I think knowing that you have the ability to impact lives is really the fuel that kind of drives me on a day-to-day basis.
No one has seen me smile or seen my teeth for the past 5 years.
Well, before she had her periodontal disease, she wouldn't go out. Her teeth were twisted and crooked, and she was very proud, and she was embarrassed to go out in public.
I know that if the patient comes to that practice, they're going to get the care that they need and deserve.
Then Dr. McCabe came in the middle of the process. He would show me the x-rays as we went along as to how it was progressing until we reached the point of completion, which made all the difference in the world to me for the quality of life, just for simple smiling and, of course, most important, eating, where I can now finally eat normal foods that I haven't been able to eat in the past 5 years.
So now this week we're going out for her first dinner because she's got a beautiful smile.
Dentistry nowadays, navigating through insurances and sometimes those are obstacles for patients.
We break it down, we make it simple, we're very flexible with our payment plans.
You really feel like you're not being lied to or misled.
With their help, I could financially get stuff done that I never thought I'd be able to do, ever.
They're able to explain to you what exactly is going to happen, so there are no surprises.
They take care of business, and that's the honest truth.
I think what's great about our team of professionals at Select Dental is we have a wide variety of personalities, we have a wide variety of skill sets.
They all understand that the practice is built on the philosophy that the patient comes first, and that we're there to take care of them on all levels.
It just feels right. And I've never felt comfortable at another dentist's office before.
I feel like I'll never have to have my teeth worked on again.
It's the Dana that I've been with for 33 years. It's my wife. I got her back. She got a smile on her face. I make her laugh all the time, and she feels 100% better.